I felt incredibly relieved when I got the results back. I felt as if a weight had been lifted off of my shoulders of me finally knowing and understanding what I was and what my history was, what my ancestry was.
Growing up, people would assume Kim Wederfort's nationality, but she herself didn't know where she came from.
Through high school, I didn't really know much about my background. My parents had divorced when I was around 7 years old, so almost the whole part of my, almost all of the history from my dad's side of the family kind of disappeared.
During freshman orientation at Westchester University, one group jumped out to her.
Things that was mentioned was the DNA discussion project. And I thought to myself, wow, that would be really cool that I could take a DNA test and be able to find out my ancestry.
Dr. Anita Foeman, along with her colleague Bessie Lawson, had formed the DNA discussion project to help improve conversations and understandings of race and identity.
Hard to stereotype people when you know that you may share some really important genetic history with them.
Through the use of at-home DNA testing kits and in-depth surveys, the project has been able to help upwards of 3,000 students. Through the project, Kim was able to better understand who she was.
I was overwhelmed with joy that I finally had some type of answer and something that I could kind of run off with and let it take me to other paths.